bakoboli ngomuntu yo ku Matiang'i yali tomorore abane tama idona bangina ba go bakoboli ngana Matiang'i ai na ngo bekere kura bono ntige karwa ngonte bigo wanto wa minto Richard tindi gotiga na ndi kingo tigera engoli togenda bosio ngole reiga abantu ba minto baborabu bakaba minto bacha ko osamaromora na banyamatuta na usiyonzi nyasaye itonomu ya I am always proud kobomo usi na ndeko bakoruga iga senge njobu kanjani bwa abantu baito bakaba minto na bali bonse tobuga terene twins tobuga tichikura togenda bosio mamochande te tokora esabali ene tokwenda paka omohelio nyasaye atangane bosi bweito atutangane na inde moto sabere ba minta abantu ba minto I have seen mwalimu muguna mwalimu onolengo mo headmaster primary school kana ngi primary naliga una tata ali kontebi bantu mara mwenzi ipimo ma tata tokorere kene even when you are wrong tokwane ngento ge kyobwene na inde nje so gosabango baboli gosabago kangolia abantu ba minto it doesn't matter so gosaba osene kanisa nyuma birio kwenda osene sabato osono mo islamole tosaba nyasaye nga omonena ato elibaga tokolega asiyo na inde kero omonena ato elibaga tokolega asiyo asenjera iralete siko nebako asilirira tata nyasaye ito ntobasa koleti abantu tanto chako sakole bintu bya abantu bono na abantu abagotugambira basa kwirinze wezire okora okuminga kino nyo kabwatende kani ngaki ngayokoira bakorire migondo naroko bakorire kirase yani hakuna kazi inaendelea ni kuamuka asubuhi na kuiba hiyo ndio kazi kubwa kwa hawa watu. Kwa hivyo mimi nawashukuru wale ndugu zetu mashemeji wetu ambao wamekuja kutoka Tanzania, tunawashukuru kwa sababu nyinyi ndio muilea Rukia. She's a tough act to follow. We can't pretend hatuwezi kuanza kujifanya hapa eti tunaweza kufanya kazi ile Rukia alikuwa anafanya. Tunawaomba tafadhali muombee ndugu yangu huyo Ken na watoto wake. Na mahali mtaenda mkirudi nyumbani muambie mmepata marafiki wengi wapya hapa Kenya na tutaendelea kuwa na urafiki mwema. Na wakati wowote na nyinyi mkituhitaji kuendelesha urafiki huo, sisi tuko tayari kuendelesha urafiki huo kwa njia ya kusaidiana na njia ya kutembeleana na njia ya kufanya yale yote Mungu atatuwezesha tufanye. My last request to all of you wando tuwacha igai galero kamoranje musabiro mwana oyo minto Ken omongo oyo sirire mongo mawono moroirale momosabire enda abantu bara abange na bakabale gaiga you are responsible people nabange na mora tumobeke sama sabanya samo agate amulende ndu yane Ken nduna mwanya bantu we will do what we can to be just faithful friends and we walk with you. And I will never, ever in my life thank you enough for who you are. I have very few friends like you. Because safari ya maisha, especially in public service, half the time you are dealing with transactional friends, the other half you are dealing with the people who are taking advantage of you, the other half you are dealing with this. It's very rare to find people who are genuine, who will stand with you in season and out of season. And Ken is that brother of mine. So, nakuombea mema. The Lord comforts you, strengthens you, keeps you, looks after your children. Finally, you know, as I mentioned to you, and I think it's good I say this publicly, when we were in Nairobi, I delivered condolences from our retired president, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta. Even today, when we were speaking on something else in the morning, I told him tutakuwa hapa. You know, I told you, as he said, seme pole, na pia tutakutana wakati tumerudi Nairobi. Na wale marafiki zako wengine, your fellow senior counsel, Martha Karua and Kalonzo Musyoka, also asked me to say pole to you, and they continue to stand with you during this time. Our elders, our political leaders in Kisii, Mzee Professor Sam Ongeri, who is also your relative, yesterday because of the commitment which he explained when we were having the burial ceremony, he couldn't make it here. Him and the other group of council of senior leaders from Kisii, Senator Chris Obure, na wale wase wengine, our brother Ezekiel Machogu, who's running to be governor in Kisii. Hawa wazee wote waliniambia nikifika hapa nikwambie, we stand with you. Our friends from Tanzania, vile mumeona, your sister or daughter married a man who is respected in this community because of his conduct and because of his goodness. Tunawaomba tafadhali, mutuombe tuendelee kuwa namna hiyo. Ken is liked by many people because of who he is and because of what he has done in this community. I hope that Ken, you cope with the absence of your spouse and you will continue to be available to support this society as you go along. All of you, my brothers and sisters who are here, mukienda kwa so many leaders who are here, I didn't have time to acknowledge all of you. Munajua tunapendana sisi wote. And all of you are like my brothers and sisters. Nasema, yesterday I said, mutu kuniuliza nichague huyu badala ya yule mwingine, is like someone asking you which one of your children do you like, or which one of your brothers do you love. Awamura abonsinge tena baminto. Inukuana n'abantu ababonsi bikiro muntu ngora abapange. Kero babangire na wacha kante nanjenga ngobatagite nkolega sinere. And I will be ready because I want to tell you. Lakini in the meantime, mo korabo benga ki nga ngo tarande for example na Senator Kongo Mogeni. Senator Nyamira ngaki koruko. Nga ingo chikuruzi yondere ndentare nere. Omo jumbo barabu na kya koruko. Nga ingo chikuruzi yondere nere. Ose mota ketentare njebweka. Ngoli mota ketentare na bantu baminto. Nengo ikoro na introduce nenche Senator ya Kisii. Senator ya Kisii nga kya koruko. Wana nga ingo chikuruzi yomonto ose mera wakako ruko moro ke Senator ya Kisii tutare neno nyonka nara. Mbobe ngo kora kutana bantu baminto. Abana abaminto, I love them so much. Baba ke sairabate naga, baba ke bagendi. I love walking around with them. Nawa mura abantu anjaine, baba beni abantu anjaine, chanua. Ntu anjaine una banta ba moga, ntu anjaine, ntu ono toligi nje tokonya abantu baminto. Swanya, niwete no koliore gento, egente kereza banta ba ma. Ai kwana na barabu, oso ono tali boygo. Ai kwana na barabu ngora. Na ibuna njingo nyako bayabeli ngora bambange. Bako mbanga, nae bako kubanga. Na lilo tu abangi kire. Lakini batako bange tu wanyano monto mwaba bangire, osenja nuaba bangire. Osino kongo babanga, osenye libo bajiko irania, osenyo bakora nyitinko ma. Poni ni murantebi, lakini iga ninka, oso natali boyo. Iga ninka mwezi na baminto, we will still continue eating to tarare amo. Kia wano barabo kama mpapa tewe babangire na wano walimoko liyo botimbe borabu nche ken nenje na autorita borabu. And we have a tradition of working very closely no mojumbe. For everything we do, we work with the MP. Beni Karalengo, we work very closely with him. Oyo Patrick no musanyi idomo nene sana, we work with him, we work together nere. Dobo etmeja anende yonzi nere. But moko liyo wasa moja kukumana nga kiango tarani na Patrick. Nga ingo chikuruzi mojumbo mwantari nere. Ndisi Patrick nere mojumbe. So let's work together. Tuanchane, ntonya ko tebere binte bizini biko to sarani, tuanchane, to sukiensi ito, nege sa ugeito bosu. Na asabire kamolanje. Guardian yominto. To bugaterane, mongi no minto kumenda, ayabantu buna barako bange, no moko teba nalisi onyangono ga, moko bangana, and then tumanye ko banya kitoko kandra bosu. Lakini nje no yomine miaka yonse. Kemosino mosani one chairman yetu ya Jubilee, to tara komo nyengo gaenda senga netiko bane chairman ya Jubilee ngango chikurusio mwaonta bale kuru motego rosenke mostoko banere ke mostoko banere. But you see, we are all one and the same. I think I've done well for home. Nya saba siseni omane nawe na inwe na inde mogeendre ko tosabera no bwanja ni obonene moko genda chinga monkwanili abantu baminto bakaro na inde muna mwante bingandu kangende ko gichikura isiko na achire mwanjire ngende njiko likichikura isiko inkamba tigere wasiko to igwana nire igumo tando ujia tona tawanga muntu talikora itaga mboru yango genda mambi nyeri ngo genda matanga na ndu ngenda boruya ndu ngenda taita taveta na mongo na kombo kana igongo likichikura moto sabere nya saba mona intwe na ino manena abalende. God bless you.
Asanteni sana kwa kumalizia kabisa.